Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. We make it easy to redirect traffic with the click of an image on any campaign type. In this video, I'll show you how to create a clickable image campaign in OptinMonster. Be sure to check out the links I've left in the description, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. First, select Create New Campaign. For this example, I'll use the pop-up campaign type, and since I want to start from scratch, I'll select the canvas template. I'll give my campaign a descriptive name, and then select Start Building. The canvas template starts with an image block and a text block. Since I'm creating a clickable image campaign, I'll only need the image block, so I'll delete this text block. Next, I'll select the image block, and then select the Change Image icon. Now, I can use an image I've already uploaded, or upload one from my computer. Since the image I want to use is already uploaded, I'll select it. Next, I'll set the width to 100% and add some alt text. Now, to make this image clickable, I'll need to add the URL where I want to redirect my visitors. In the Link Settings menu, I can open the link in a new window, add nofollow, and track the clicks as a conversion. Now, there's still a border around my image that I want to get rid of. To do so, I'll navigate to Settings, select the Advanced tab, and in the View Styling section, under the Spacing menu, I'll set the value to 0. Now this looks pretty good, I just want to make this campaign a bit smaller. So I'll head over to the Basic tab, and again under View Styling, I'll set the campaign width to 600 pixels. Alright, I'm happy with this, so the last thing I need to do is set my display rules to determine where, when, and for whom this campaign appears, and then publish the campaign to my website. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or, for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.